millions of workers may soon face unemployment, not because of recessions or outsourcing, but because artificial intelligence is rapidly taking over tasks once reserved for humans. What sounded like a futuristic scenario is already unfolding. For instance, fintech giant Klarna reduced its staff by 40% after AI systems began handling the majority of customer support. One skilled individual with AI tools can now do the work of 10. But while that might sound like bad news, there's also an upside. Opportunities exist for those willing to adapt. Let's explore 20 jobs most vulnerable to AI disruption and what you can do to future-proof your career. Entry-level customer service agents. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants now handle calls, emails, and live chats faster and more efficiently than humans. Companies like Klarna have already replaced hundreds of agents. If your role involves scripted responses and routine troubleshooting, AI is already outperforming you. Paralegals and legal assistants. From contract reviews to drafting legal documents, AI can summarize and analyze pages of information in seconds. Tools like ChatGPT and specialized legal software are helping firms cut costs. While lawyers still play a vital role, many entry-level legal support positions are shrinking fast. Junior analysts and data clerks. Generating reports, filtering spreadsheets, and summarizing insights can now be done with a single AI prompt. Many organizations no longer need to train staff on Excel when AI tools can create charts and insights instantly. Bank tellers. Digital banking and AI are taking over fraud detection, loan pre-qualification, financial advice, and international transfers. Banks are closing branches and downsizing teller staff in favor of digital-first operations. Junior social media managers, writing captions, scheduling posts, and replying to DMs are now automated with platforms like Canva, ChatGPT, and Social Bee. Businesses are questioning whether entry-level staff are still necessary for routine tasks. Graphic designers, routine work. AI design platforms like Midjourney, Adobe Firefly, and Canva AI can generate multiple design variations in seconds. Demand is shifting from pixel pushers to creative directors who can guide strategy. Copywriters and SEO writers. AI tools such as Jasper and WriteSonic generate full blog posts, ad copy, and SEO-optimized content instantly. Outlets like BuzzFeed and CNET already rely heavily on AI-written material. HR assistants. Resume screening, interview scheduling, and onboarding flows are increasingly automated with tools like HireVue and Textio. Global companies, including Unilever and IBM, use AI to handle tasks once managed by entry-level HR staff. Junior accountants and bookkeepers. AI-driven platforms like QuickBooks, Zoho Books, and FreshBooks now automate payroll, reconciliation, and expense tracking. Many small businesses prefer affordable software over hiring staff. Entry-level programmers and QA testers. Platforms like GitHub Copilot can write, debug, and test code with minimal human input, reducing the need for beginners who handle routine coding tasks. Basic video editors. AI tools like Descript and InVideo AI can edit footage, add captions, and even generate complete video content from scratch. Simple editing work is disappearing. Translators. AI translation has reached near-human accuracy, including tone matching and voice dubbing. Unless you work in specialized fields, this role is quickly vanishing. Content moderators. Algorithms now detect and filter harmful content with high accuracy, cutting the need for large human moderation teams. Sales development reps, cold calling. AI tools can send personalized emails, respond automatically, and schedule meetings, tasks that once required entire sales teams. Tutors, general subjects. AI tutors adapt to each student's learning style, offering 24/7 personalized feedback in math, science, and grammar. Parents are increasingly choosing AI over human tutors for affordability and convenience. Data entry clerks. AI systems can read documents, transcribe audio, and autofill forms instantly, eliminating repetitive data entry work. Real estate listing writers. AI generates polished property descriptions, neighborhood insights, and multi-platform listings automatically. The need for human listing writers is shrinking. Legal transcriptionists. AI transcription tools achieve 95–98% accuracy, including speaker separation and timestamps, making them more reliable than many humans in court or legal settings. Administrative assistants. Calendar management, email sorting, travel planning, and presentation prep are now handled by AI scheduling and productivity tools. E-commerce assistants. AI solutions like Shopify Magic create product descriptions and manage listings, reducing demand for junior e-commerce staff. Being aware of the threat is only half the battle. Here's how to adapt. Learn AI tools in your field. Designers should master AI art tools, writers should refine AI prompting skills, and admins should use scheduling software to stay competitive. Shift into human-centered roles. Focus on careers requiring emotional intelligence, strategy, or leadership, areas where AI struggles. Become an AI supervisor. Instead of being replaced, learn how to guide, refine, and oversee AI outputs. Build a personal brand. Share your expertise, create visibility, and stand out. In the future, individuals with recognized authority will always find opportunities. AI isn't coming, it's already here. Instead of fearing it, treat it as a tool to enhance your skills and open new doors. The key is not to compete with AI, but to learn how to work with it. Stay adaptable, stay curious, and remember, the future favors those who evolve.